what's up, electrical contractors? Contractors in general, let me ask you a question. How much is a blank piece of paper worth? How much is it worth? A penny? Maybe. I don't think it's worth much more than that. But let me ask you a question. What if that piece of paper contained the lottery numbers for the next 10 years of your business and how it would help you start owning the trains and not just running your trains? Yeah, you got to put a value on it. It'd be pretty tough, but you know it would be pretty valuable. In this video, I'm going to teach you about a software, about an application that fell into my hands literally because I was searching for a way so I can automatically start running my trains in the back end of my business, not just on the front end of my business. What do I mean by that? Stay tuned and let's get into it in this video. Let's go. Okay, when you're in business and you're a contractor, there is a front end of your business. That's the one where you knock on doors, shake hands, and get the work done on the job. That includes scheduling, that includes phone calls, getting your parts ordered, doing your service call, getting the history of the customer, all of that great stuff. That's what I use a field software CRM for. If you don't know which one I use, you probably haven't been watching my channel for very long, but links are down in the description. But what do I use to run the back end of my business? That is everything I need to do to manage the employees, HR, onboarding of new employees, training new employees, giving bonuses to new employees. If they use a credit card from my business, how do I get the expense report from them? All of those things are now handled with Connect Team. That's right, you guys have heard me say it a dozen times. And guess how much Connect Team costs you to start zero for life? Their starter plan is zero, nada, free. And it does almost everything you need to own the trains. That means you're gonna get your finger on everything that's going on in your business by simply opening up the Connect Team app. Let me show you. Okay, the first thing that I use the most as soon as I open this app is the chat features in Connect Team. It's bar none. There's nothing close that's gonna help you level up as fast as communicating with your team through one app. Did you know that I can open up the app and just communicate to all my journeymen and my leads and leave the apprentices out of it? Vice versa. Maybe I have something new on training through my cult system that I need to push out to all my trainees, my apprentices. One button, I can do it. That includes attachments, videos, links, everything I need. What's the benefit of doing it through Connect Team? Well, if I happen to lose this phone or oops, upgrade to this phone and my normal text messages aren't transferable to the new phone, or let's just say I completely lost the phone, I'm gonna completely lose the record of all communication with my employees. Now here's why I also love to have it in Connect Team. If it's something related to do with a job, it's always going to be there and it's accessible online as well. I can do it on my computer because 90% of the time I'm in front of my computer, on the beach on my laptop, or sitting at a cafe on my laptop. I'm completely 100% mobile. That's how I own these trains and not run the trains every day, right? I want to be able to do that from anywhere I'm at, and mobile is the way to go. The chat feature, unbelievable. Reason number one why you need to get into Connect Team. And again, it's free to sign up for life. Reason number two is the unbelievable forms that you can create and also use templates in Connect Team. And what do you do with forms? The first thing you do is this. Eliminate paperwork. I hate paperwork. You will never find these forms if you ever need them again. What forms are we talking about? Well, let's talk about company cards. If your team has company cards and they need to fill out a receipt saying what they spent on the company card, what job it was for, you can do that all in Connect Team with forms. That has a GPS stamp on it of the location. It has a signature stamp, a date and a time stamp. Whatever you want, it's fully customizable. That's one form we use on a weekly basis. What's a second form? Booyah! That same card needs to put gas in the tank of my own vehicles. I want to know how many miles were on that van, what grade of gas, and how much that receipt was. Why? Because when it's assigned to that person, it's GPS time stamped. I'll know a week later when it comes back in that I could check mileage 1, check mileage 2, and make sure that I've got my thumb on my business without physically going out to the vans, checking the mileage all the time, because they take a picture of that odometer and put it into the gas app when they're filling up the gas. That's right, they got 5 minutes on your time filling up gas. They better do the forms. That's how I continue to own the trains instead of run the trains. Imagine that. Let me tell you that one more time. They get to the gas station, they pop out your card that you've given them, they swipe it, they put the gas in, and they start filling it. At that moment, they take a picture of the odometer, they start filling out the form. It's dated, time-stamped, and GPS stamped. They take a picture of the odometer, they upload it so you know exactly how many miles there was when they filled up. Then they stop filling up, boom, put the thing back in. They record how many gallons and how much and what grade of fuel. Have a nice day, signed and sent instantly. Bing, and I see my Connect Team app has a notification for me that says, hey, Gary just filled up. Here's how much he spent. Here's the fuel. Here's the odometer picture. Have a nice day. Again, a week later, it comes back. I can check last week's with this week's, make sure everything is kosher. That's another form I use in Connect Team. No other app's gonna bring you this for free. You better sign up right now. Here's the link right here on the screen, but better yet, click the QR code right here and get your Connect Team download right now. It's the biggest game changer for electrical contractors ever. This is the app I am in daily to buy back my time. Okay, let me tell you one other feature that Connect Team has that's gonna be a game changer for you and your business. And most of all, this little thing called time. Okay, well, in my business, you know I have to hire, I hardly fire. So what I wanna do is once I hire people and I keep getting people in, I wanna do training one time. I need to get everybody on base as fast as possible so they can get in the field, start making money for them, and when they make money, I make money. That's the micro-franchising way. So I use Connect Team's training and HR for my onboarding. This includes everything once they're hired, like how do we do our service calls? These are the steps. Number 1, before you knock on the door, you're gonna do your 5 around, you're gonna pass out flyers. What do we do when the job is complete? Open up the job completion form. Yep, you take pictures of the job when it's finished, and then you upload it and you check mark everything you did, like check the breakers, they're all on, left instructions to the customers, cleaned up after ourselves, called the office to let them know we're done, and find out what the schedule is tomorrow. These are checklist forms and stuff that I want to train my new employees. So I use the forms, but I got to use my HR onboarding to do the training videos so that I don't have to tell every single new employee how to do it 8 million times. That would require me spending my time being back in the office when I can just record it once, put it on Connect Team, and then every new hire gets a, hey, welcome to the team, check out these 3 videos. And there's a form for that too, because once they check out all the videos, they mark that I got it, I understand it. If they have any questions, they can simply type it in there and I'll get that form back to answer anything that they have. These are just 3 of the simple ways I use Connect Team. The second I got it, you can start doing the same. Again, click this QR code right here, get into Connect Team, or click the description down below, go to my website, click on my affiliates link. Whatever you do, if you use my affiliate link, you're going to be invited to an all things Connect Team webinar where we're going to go deep, really deep into Connect Team. Thanks, you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for putting your trust and your business into my hands. I'm your silent partner that's always going to help you go from 0 to 360 without you having to pay me for that silent partnership. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.